Hello, friends, and welcome to Pwn Physics 365, a podcast dedicated to keeping you in the zone 365 days a year. This day in physics, word of the day, killer resource. Buckle up because here we go. All right, friends, hello, and welcome to episode number 3 of Physics 365. It's Sunday, the 3rd of January, 2015, and on this day in physics, we have, in 1999, the Mars Polar Lander was launched. So that's what was going on in physics in the past. And today we are talking about the phrase light year and what does it mean. A light year is a measure of the distance which describes the amount of distance traveled by light in a vacuum during one Earth year. It's a little misleading because the name can actually be easily misunderstood to mean an amount of time, when actually it's a unit of distance. A light year is a vast amount of distance. Light travels 300 million meters per second, or 3 million kilometers in 1 second. It takes roughly 8 minutes for light to travel from the sun to the Earth. New Horizons just traveled all the way to Pluto, roughly 7 billion miles. This immense distance represents roughly 0.0007 light years. The nearest star, except for our sun, is something like 4 light years away. A light year is a very long distance, but it can be very useful in measuring large distances and exploring our cosmos. So yeah, a wonderfully huge celestial unit of measure, and a unit of distance, not a measure of time. So that's our word of the day, and our cool physics resource of the day is Symphony of Science. What this guy did is he took famous physicists and remixed them so that it, kind of auto-tuned it so that it sounds like they're singing songs. All of his stuff is free, and it's, if you're a physics geek, you're going to love it. So check it out over at symphonyofscience.com or over at Twitter on Melody Sheet. And I tend to retweet some of his stuff, so you can also check us out on Twitter over at PWN Physics. So that is Physics 365 for today, and I'll catch you tomorrow, guys. Take care.